Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the exact Huawei model and EMUI build so you pick compatible APKs. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow installs from unknown sources. This avoids permission roadblocks. Next, download the 3 core packages: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services that matches your ABI and Android level, and the Play Store APK. Make sure files are complete and saved to an easy folder. You're preparing the environment so installation won't fail mid-process. You now install the packages in the precise order: first Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. Doing otherwise often breaks sign-in. After each install, open the app to accept permissions and grant background access where requested, because permission denial blocks account sync. Clear cache and storage for Play Services between steps to force proper initialization, and reboot the device after the Play Store install. This sequence ensures the underlying Google APIs register, and you finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. Accept sync, backup, and security prompts so services can establish. If sign-in fails, remove any partially added accounts, clear Play Services and Play Store data, then reboot and retry. Make sure the device time, date, and time zone are exact, and disconnect VPNs or proxy apps because Google blocks suspicious networks. Finally, if a package mismatch caused the issue, reinstall matching APK versions. This single troubleshooting step solves most persistent failures.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.